Hi guys and girls, it's Sweet2967 doing another product description. Today we're looking at Oral-B, the new Oral-B Expert toothpaste. Apparently it's got all this stuff on, it's great against sugar. So what was on was we'll open off the box. Alright, that's what it looks like. And we're going to try put a bit on brush. What have we got here? Oh yeah. Now I've got sensitive teeth because I'm a sensitive guy. So I'm going to put a bit on there for you. That's what it looks like. I'm going to clean these teeth up and see what I'll give you my opinion. Doesn't taste awful, but the taste really nice. I could eat it. Followed by a bit of this, which is the which I can't say it now, Oral-B mouth freshener. So there you go, guys, girls. What do you think? Any difference? Well, all I can say is it tastes nice. It feels better than the last one. So yeah, thumbs up for that one. Go and get yourself some, and it's on sale at £2. Thanks for watching again, guys. Hope you like this video, and why not check out my channel? You never know.